Local artists add beauty to Los Angeles exhibit 250 years of mission to celebrate Jubilee Year. On 11th September, the Archdiocese of Los Angeles began a Jubilee Year, Forward in Mission, to mark 250 years since the opening of the region's first church, Mission San Gabriel Arcangel, founded in 1771 by Saint Junipero Serra. An exhibit titled 250 Years of Mission will be on display at the Cathedral of Our Lady of the Angels through 10th September 2022 to tell the story of the Catholic faith in the region. The Church has left such an indelible mark on our culture here, from street names, the city names, and everything in between, to our radical charity in the community, said Father Parker Sandoval, Vice-Chancellor for Ministerial Services for the Archdiocese of Los Angeles. We thought it was very important to put forward to everyone for free, in an accessible space, a display of beauty and an opportunity to learn the richness of our history. Local artists Aurelio G. D. Mendoza, Lalo Garcia, and John Nava are featured in the exhibit, which spans 4 galleries inside the cathedral. The galleries include historical documents and artifacts, colonial art from Spain and Mexico, native American religious art, and the contributions of Mendoza, Garcia, and Nava. Historically, here in Southern California, the missions are extremely important, not only as a tourist attraction, but as the seed of Catholicism, said Garcia, whose oil painting of Saint Junipero Serra is in the exhibit. I hope that you get a feel of Southern California, who we are, the buildings that we have here in the Camino Real, feel proud of the heritage as Californianos, and see the good things that he, Saint Junipero Serra, did. Garcia's painting, which was commissioned by Archbishop Jose Gomez in honor of the canonization of Saint Junipero Serra in 2015, measures 30 by 40 inches and has a halo made of 24-karat gold leaf. He hopes his works become an instrument for historians, priests, seminarians, teachers, anybody who acquires the piece, so that they can actually talk about it, he said. I spend a lot of time reading, meditating, and thinking about the piece that I am going to create, said Garcia, who came to the United States from Mexico when he was 13 years old. It gives me more responsibility to create this type of art when I have seen people praying in front of an image that I have painted. I want the piece to be worthy of the space it's going to take. 2 large oil paintings by Aurelio G. D. Mendoza, 1901 to 1996, are also included in the exhibit. The 2 pieces are part of a trilogy called El Camino Real, which aim to depict both conversion of the indigenous people and the construction of missions in California. In the first piece, which measures 6 feet tall by 5 feet wide, Mendoza painted Saint Junipero Serra pointing ahead, signaling the way to follow, said his granddaughter Lucy Mendoza. Mendoza's second painting in the exhibit, titled Mission San Diego de Alcala, is 5 feet tall by 8.5 feet wide. It shows Saint Junipero Serra with Father Santius, the architect of the San Diego mission, among both the indigenous people and the Spanish soldier. He took great care in making sure the indigenous were portrayed with such beauty and grace, said Lucy Mendoza. Both pieces were completed in approximately 1976, when Mendoza was 75 years old. You want people to feel a sense of pride in the history of California, and I know there has been some pain, there has been some controversy, but I also feel that there is so much good also, said Lucy Mendoza. My abuelito always said that so much can be learned through art. The scale of Mendoza's pieces, Father Sandoval said, are in themselves impactful. They are huge, they literally fill walls, and the images just pop, he said. Then, knowing that these were painted by people who have a devotion to the saints they are depicting makes them particularly beautiful. John Nava, the third local artist included in the exhibit, wove the tapestry for the Mass of Canonization of Saint Junipero Serra in 2015 in Washington, D.C. Nava's tapestry is on display in the same chapel as the other artists' works. It's not simply that they are great artists, but fundamentally they are people of faith, said Father Sandoval. That really comes through in the artwork. In addition to the local artists, 250 years of mission includes religious objects and art from Mission San Gabriel Archangel, which fell victim to arson in July 2020, as well as materials from the Archdiocesan archives. The exhibit aims to be both educational and beautiful, said Father Sandoval. We live in a time where we are bombarded by bad news and ugliness on the newsfeed, on the front page, and on the screen, said Father Sandoval. That's why we thought it was really important to accent the beauty of our faith and the history of the church and our mission here. The exhibit is open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., Saturdays, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. and Sundays from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Since the galleries line the sides of the cathedral, the exhibit is open anytime the cathedral is open to the public. We hope that people not only enjoy the beauty and learn the history, but, above all, feel inspired to build on the legacy of faith that started here 250 years ago, said Father Sandoval. This is a summons to revival, to renewal, to refocus on what matters most, which is putting people in contact with Jesus. We hope we can bring as many people, especially young people, as possible to visit and feel moved to move into mission, he said.